houses just for information purpose only. So I'm coming up to this intersection. Then I'm gonna make a left instead of going straight. My house is, we go straight, right? Okay, this time I'm gonna turn left and go up this street. New house going up right here. Okay, so I'm coming up to this road. It's Kapalama Ave. And oh my, there she is, Kapalama Ave. Still shows for sale. And there he goes. This is Kapalama School back gate. The Hale. Nice location on the corner, good size yard. It's a nice place. Okay, and then we are now on Makanani Drive, which means that